We all Hindustani, whenever and wherever, listen or heard this patriotic or iconic song, it creates patriotism among us. Really, this is not song. This is not lines of poem or the song of movie. This song generates
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
energy, enthusiasm, confidence and fighting spirit not only in Indian Army but also in Indian society. India lost Melody of Queen, Nightingale of India. So here myself, I welcome to all subscribers and viewers to our Easy English platform. Today I want to flash on the lifestyle and the life journey of Lata Mangeshkar. Before I deliver some information about Lata Mangeshkar, I just go to Lata Mangeshkar and then I start information. When China attacked on India in 1963, at that time our Indian condition was not good. So these songs helps to Indian and Indian Army for rebuilding confidence. Here I want to present some little information about this great song. Actually, this song has been written by Kavi Pradeep. This song is dedicated to Indian Army who died for Bharat Mata in Indo-China War. In late 1962, Kavi Pradeep walked along with the Mahi beach in Mumbai. At that time, this song created in his mind. And first time, this song sang by Lata Mangeshkar 1963 at Ram Leela Maidan in Delhi. So when our first PM, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, when he heard or listened these songs, he tears and said to Lata Mangeshkar, "Aapne to रुला दिया." This fact has been revealed by Snehashish Chatterjee in Lata Gitikosh book 2008. In this, she reveals one incident about Lata Mangeshkar. Lata ji never wear chappal or slipper while recording any single song in studio. That is her good habit, sanskar or love or dedication for songs. Lata Mangeshkar's love for cricket. Lata Mangeshkar attended the first historic World Cup in 1983 at Lord's Ground in England, and we all know that our India had won this World Cup. BCCI shared one sweet memory about Lata Mangeshkar on Twitter handle when Kapil Dev lifted the World Cup at the Lord's balcony. But at that time, the president of BCCI and the powerful minister in the cabinet of Indira Gandhi, led NKP Salve, had a different worry and tension in his mind. Because at that time, the condition of BCCI was not good or rich than now. We felicitate or gift to Indian cricketers in small amount. So he decided to meet in Dungarpur, known as the Rajbhai. Then immediately Rajbhai went to Lata Mangeshkar because Lata ji was great fan of cricket. He visited to Lata Mangeshkar and told that we have to arrange one program. So Lata ji and BCCI arranged one pro bono concert in Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi.
भारत विश्व विजेता, अपना भारत विश्व विजेता, संग है विश्व विजेता, अपना संग है विश्व विजेता। हर एक दिशा में भारत विश्व विजेता अपना भारत विश्व विजेता भारत विश्व विजेता अपना भारत विश्व विजेता.
The stadium was packed as Lataji did near 2 hours program. Through this concert, BCCI collected 24 lakhs. Then BCCI decided to give 1 lakh rupees for per member. That should be respectable and handsome amount to Indian cricketers. And remaining funds will deliver to stadium's development. Here, our best PM of India, Rajiv Gandhi, also attended this show. Here I want to emphasize on one major thing that Lataji never took single penny or money for this show. It shows the real, pure and sincere love to cricket and nation. Lataji said Mumbai is a great city because of Balasaheb Thackeray. Senior journalist Bharti Pradhan shared one sweet memory of Lata Mangeshkar and Hindu Hriday Samrat Shiv Sena Supremo Balasaheb Thackeray on Twitter handle. In the 90s, the whole Bollywood music industry was dominated by Gulshan Kumar, the owner of T-Series, and also the partnership with playback singer Anuradha Paudwal. At that time, song has been dubbed only in the voice of Anuradha Paudwal and enormous cassettes produced and sold in the market. Disputes had been created in 1992 Radha Ka Sangam movie. In that, the main hero and heroine Govinda and Juhi Chawla, music director Anu Malik and director decided that songs of this movie will be sang only by Lataji. But Gulshan Kumar never agreed with this proposal. For producing these songs in the voice of Anuradha Paudwal, he purchased all the rights of these songs. Immediately, Lata Mangeshkar took this matter to Balasaheb Thackeray. Balasaheb Thackeray called to Gulshan Kumar and warned him, हे करण्याची तुझी हिम्मत कशी झाली असं विचार त्यांनाच लागलं. लता मंगेशकर महाराष्ट्राचा गौरव आहे. लता मंगेशकर इज द प्राइड ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. आणि बाळासाहेबांचा दरारा एवढा होता की गुलशन कुमार यांना नंतर घ्यावं लागलं.
बहु असोत सुंदर संपन्न की महान प्रिय अमुचा एक महाराष्ट्र देश हा प्रिय अमुचा एक महाराष्ट्र देश हा.
आणि लता मंगेशकर यांच्या आवाजातच चित्रपटातील गाणी झळकली. When Balasaheb Thackeray died at that time, Lata Mangeshkar said, "Once again I lost my patriarchy." पुन्हा माझे पितृछत्र हरपले. श्री स्वामी समर्थ महामंत्र, this helps to people and support in stress, tension, hurries and worries. And Lata Mangeshkar ji sang this song very beautifully and the bottom of heart.
स्वामी समर्थ महामंत्र हा माझे पूजन. स्वामी समर्थ महामंत्र हा माझे पूजन.
India not only loves to Canada, but Canadian also loves to Indian culture and music. That's why Ella Murray wants to sing song "You Needed Me" from versatile singer Lata Mangeshkar. Our Indian Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, always uses these lines while delivering any speech and to encourage us. So Lata Didi also inspired from these lines and a song in 2019. This song has been written by प्रसून जोशी. सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की, मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं रुकने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा. I try my level best to present this information about Lata Mangeshkar through Google, YouTube, Twitter an article on internet. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press bell button for further informative videos. So, in next video, we will focus on the childhood of Lata ji. Till then, goodbye, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.